Radical functions.
Before, we discussed about radical expressions, expressions under square root, cube root or expressions under radical sign.
We discussed also about y squared equals x.
Simplifying this, we make x under a square root, and it will yield a positive and negative result.
And if we sketch the graph, it results to a parabola opening to the right. Using a vertical line test, move the vertical line to the right. It intersects the parabola at a point, so this is not a function.
Not allowed.
But how can we make this a function?
We can make this a function by taking only the positive result or the negative result. In our case, we take the positive result.
If we graph this with positive, we have a parabola opening to the right.
This now passed the vertical line test, for it only intersects at one point only.
The domain of this is the set of x where x is greater than or equal to 0. We have a 0 or a positive domain for a negative domain for this. Makes this imaginary number.
And the range is the set of y where y is greater than or equal to 0, since we take only the positive result, so we can have a function. This is also applicable to y equals the nth root of x where n is an even number. For the equation y equals the cube root of x, this is a function with this graph where the domain is the set of x where x is a real number and the range is the set of y where y is a real number.
This is also applicable to y equals the nth root of x, where n is an odd number.